Tukh Malanga For Weightloss. One teaspoon Tukh Malanga basil seeds. Soak into water for 10 minutes. One lemon. Cut and squeeze the juice of lemon. We will need it later. Please subscribe to my channel. After soaking, add few mint leaves, lemon slice, Tukh Malanga, 1 teaspoon honey. Add water. One tablespoon lemon juice. Mix it well. Having basil seeds Tukh Malanga on an empty stomach is more effective for weight loss. You can consume these seeds daily for 1 month and you will notice incredible weight loss up to 5 kilograms.